Hello, this is L2L Support, and today I'm going to walk you through adding active skills requirements. When logged into L2L, please ensure that you have skills enabled under the other module settings within your site properties in order to view the skills module. Open the skill and click Active Requirements. This is where you add the requirements for the skill. Requirements can be related to lines, roles, or machines. You may also identify the minimum level required to be considered fully trained. In the Skills Requirements section, you are able to review which skills are active and how they are associated with various lines, roles, machines, skill levels, and categories. You may review the lines, roles, or machines the skill is associated with. It is possible for a skill requirement to be associated with roles only and not a line or machine. It is also possible for a skill requirement to be associated with machines only and not a line or role. You may view the skill title associated with the line. You may view the level required to be considered fully trained. This setting is to show what is the minimum skill level for each person to be considered fully trained on this skill. For example, if you have a simple machine that does one small function, you might set the level required to be fully trained to operate the machine at a mid-level skill level, like an intermediate. You may view the category, which is the grouping of the skill. You may view the roles, which is the user role that is required to be trained to this skill. You may view if the skill is active, which shows if the skill is active on the line. You may view this history for the skill when created and last updated. You may also click the link to the User Skills Requirements matrix. Remember to use the filters to narrow your search if needed in the upper right corner. Next, let's review role-based skills. User roles is a function for setting up the roles users may take on a production line. These then can be used in the Skills module for grouping of skill requirements on the production lines. Roles can also be assigned to non-production users, such as engineers, mechanics, and office personnel, to name a few. This is important to understand, because with roles, training can be tracked on individuals who will never use the check-in function on a production line. Here's how to set up a user role. Go to the Setup menu and click User Roles. Click on Add New, located in the upper right corner. Choose a unique code for the role. Give a description of the role. Select if this will be a system-wide role. Click Save. Role-based skills will show on the home screen to be acknowledged, while alternatively, line and machine skills will be acknowledged when checking into a machine or line within the operator portal. If a skill requirement has both a line and a machine selected, that skill will be checked when a user logs into the line, and it will also be checked when a user checks into the machine. If you only want the skill to be checked when logging into a machine, do not select a line in the requirement. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will review how to acknowledge skills when logged in as a user. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.